Good afternoon, my name is Jonathan Page. I am a business attorney and founder of N Prime Legal. Today we're going to discuss the good, the bad, and the ugly of job applications and how to get the facts without violating the law. So first and foremost, a job application is a screening technique. Previously, we discussed job postings, job descriptions, we discussed the candidate referral program. Those are all sourcing techniques. Those are techniques to source candidates. But once the candidate has found your business, they've said, man, this looks like a really cool place to work. They got a great boss, they got a bright future, they got a bigger vision, and they apply, they're gonna get the job application. So here's the good. Job applications are good at comparing apples to apples rather than apples to oranges. It forces your candidates to organize key information about the job, the skill sets, the work history, the experience, those sort of things in your format instead of their format, which then allows you to easily compare one application or one candidate to other candidates. That's the good about job applications. You can also embed or implant some screening techniques. For example, you might include this instruction in your job application. Please email your completed application to office@nprimelegal.com. In the subject line, write your last name first, followed by a comma, followed by your first name, and then a hyphen, and then the position title you have applied for. This instruction, for example, might be good if attention to detail is a core aptitude that you're looking for in a candidate. And you would be surprised by how many candidates fail to follow this very simple instruction. They don't email the application, or they email it and only include their name and not the position title. This will tell you very quickly whether the candidate has that requisite attention to detail or whether they're really going to be a bad fit for this position. So let's discuss the bad and the ugly. Federal discrimination laws prohibit you from asking certain questions. Federal courts and the Equal Employment Opportunity Office have found that certain questions, if asked, could discriminate on the basis of race, religion, sex, gender, disability, etc., or may have a desperate impact on one of those protected classes. Birth dates. So you might ask for a birth date because it's part of your company culture. You celebrate birthdays. That's what we do here. Just ask for this information after you have made the hiring decision. If you ask for it during the hiring process, then this might imply that you're discriminating on the basis of age. So ask for it afterwards, after you made that hiring decision. The job application, of course, is something that they're going to fill out and answer before the hiring process is concluded, so don't include that sort of question on your job application. Questions about the family. So why might you gather information about a person's family? Well, you're trying to get to know them. Maybe you send a welcome box to the spouse. I know that we do that here. We send a gift basket to the spouse or significant other when somebody is hired to thank them for allowing or celebrate their hiring. It's something that we do here. So there might be all legitimate reasons why you would gather information about their family. But again, this is information that you're going to want to gather after you've made the hiring decision, because if you know about their family, this might disclose their religion, it might disclose their national origin, and so forth. Foreign languages. Unless speaking a foreign language is an essential job requirement, then you don't want to include this on the job application. Again, knowing what foreign languages they speak might allude to their national origin. These are just some of the questions that you want to avoid. Make sure you engage competent employment counsel to review your job application and review all the questions that you ask, and make sure that you're not setting yourself up for a claim down the road under discrimination laws. Sample job applications and other resources are available at www.nprimelegal.com. If you look underneath this video in the description, you should also see a link to those resources. This is Jonathan Page, a business attorney and founder of N Prime Legal. See you soon.